Hello everyone and welcome back to another Gameplay Classic tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install The Last of Us Part 2 game on your PC. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Steam application on your device, and once you are taken into the store page, you can click on the search box. Then just type in The Last of Us Part 2 to begin your search. When you find the game, you can click on it, and this will take you into the game page where you can check out the trailer as well as the reviews. Scroll down and click on the Add to Cart button alongside the preferred bundle or edition that you would like to purchase. Then just click on View My Cart in order to continue towards the payment. Now you can use your Steam Wallet balance or one of the payment methods that you see within the drop-down menu. After filling up all of your credentials of your chosen payment method, you can complete your transaction and the game will be added to your library. Then you can complete the installation of the game in just a few clicks. And once it is completed, you can start enjoying The Last of Us game on your PC. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install The Last of Us Part 2 game on your PC. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.